Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is pistis. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is pistis. The Greek word pistis means faith or trust in God. It appears frequently in the New Testament, emphasizing belief, confidence, and commitment to God's promises. Pistis is more than intellectual assent. Hindi lang siya paniniwala. Ito rin ay pagtitiwala. It involves personal trust and loyalty, especially in response to God's revelation. And there are some English words that are derived from this Greek word, like the word pistuo, I believe, that leads to pistiology. That's the study of faith. But I think that's not so common among us. Something that's more common is epistemology. If you're studying philosophy, you would know this very well, epistemology. It's from episteme, knowledge. And that's related to faith in what can be known. And so faith or pistis, tinatawag din natin pananampalataya, it calls us to trust in God's plan, even when circumstances seem uncertain. For example, Abraham, he believed God's promises. And we read that in Romans 4:20-21. We are invited to live with faith in God's providence. And today, this means relying on God's guidance in difficult decisions, staying firm in our beliefs despite challenges, and acting with love and confidence in His promises. So I ask you, do you want to love God more? Believe. Do we trust in Him? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith, in pistis. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.